If you're looking for a gift for the holidays, something that you can have delivered or something you can drop off yourself, these assortments from O Nuts are classy and sophisticated, and they're a great bargain. So let's open up the plastic on this one. I really like the idea of this assortment because there's just so many nuts inside. So as you can see, they come in a nice cardboard box when they're delivered, and then the package itself is wrapped up in plastic for freshness. There's an expiration date on the wrapper, and it's a good distance out. Then it has kind of the nice ribbon with their branding, which is pretty nice level of wrap here. And then once we open up the plastic top, there's a map inside here of what all is inside, but we can see everything's individually wrapped for freshness and to keep things separate. Now if you want to prep this ahead of time and you want to open all these up before you present it, there is a nice piece of wax paper here. There's the thank you card, and then there is the ingredients. So this one has pistachio, salted cashew, papatas, which is pumpkin seeds, filbert nuts, walnuts, Brazil nuts, macadamia nuts, pecans, sunflower seeds, spicy peanuts, and a almond with they must have some sort of a salt sprinkle on them. This is in a nice wooden case that can be used afterwards as a divider. Has the O Nuts branding and the nice wax paper, thank you card, and map of what all is in there. Thanks to O Nuts for sending us this one to check out. I hope this helps.